Hello everyone, my name is Shen. Today I'm going to tell you what I wrote on the BS sheet. The BS sheet. The BS stands for brainstorm. So it's called the brainstorm sheet. So you see this picture right here? The topic is your brain. The author is Ted Markle. So do you see this squishy pot and this kidney thingy and this kind of long stem thing? That's the brain. So let me show you the brain, the model that I just made. This is your brain. Many people say it's gray, but it's actually pink. There are 3 parts of the brain. I'll tell you about the model later, okay? So, there are 3 parts of the brain, like I said. So there are 3 parts. They are the cerebrum, the cerebellum, and the brainstem. The brainstem is also connected to the spinal cord. Hey, cut that out. And the spinal cord is located right here. Let me show you something. See the brain? The skull is the home of the brain. The skull protects the brain. The brain is inside the skull, so it can be protected. If the skull is broken, and then one more punch, the brain might be destroyed, so then you won't live, and you will be a zombie for that. So don't do that. I'll just close it up. Okay. And the brain is a kind of organ that looks very squishy. And it has many wrinkles on it. There are 3 parts of the brain. The cerebrum. The cerebrum is the biggest part of the brain. See this pink part? That's the cerebrum. The cerebrum is cut in half. The left side of the cerebrum controls the right side of the body, and the right side of the cerebrum controls the left side of the body. The cerebrum stores your memories too, and it helps you think, read, draw, remember, talk, pay attention, and write. It also stores your memories. The cerebellum. The cerebellum is also the part of the brain. It is small. It's right here. It's right here. And it controls the movement parts of our body. For example, the cerebellum helps us to balance, walk, jump, and run. And also the balancing, and also it may balance on it. Yeah, it does. And it's located at the back of the brain. And also, it's right here. Yes. Right here. Everyone has a brain, even a living thing, except plants. Brainstem. Do you see? The brainstem is the brainstem controls involuntary functions, and it's like a stem, but it's very small, smaller than the cerebellum. See this white thing? That's the brainstem. It is connected to the spinal cord. Well, do you know your neck has a spinal cord? It is connected to the spinal cord by the skull. The skull also has a kind of hole that the spinal cord can get through to connect to the brainstem. The spinal cord gets the memories, and then it also sends the memories. Let me tell you something. First, one of the organs gives a message. Then the message travels to the neurons. Then the message from the neurons reaches the spinal cord. The spinal cord gets the message to the brain. Then the message from the brain comes to the spinal cord, then to the neurons, and come back to another organ to tell them what to do something. Well, that's the end. I'll see you next time, and I'll tell you all about these models later. Bye! Say bye, Skull! Say bye, Skull!